All right, guys, it's here. The Tundra roof rack is done. We've got it on this vehicle. Actually, this setup right here was actually for a gentleman that wanted in a raffle from Tundra to Sedona. So this was our first giveaway raffle roof rack that we've done, but we want to share it with you. And obviously wanted to share just how nice it fits across the windshield of the truck. It's got the rubber strip on it, super tight fitting. Even the lines here on the side on how tight it fits is obviously, we designed it like that on purpose so we can maximize the air going by the vehicle instead of obviously through the roof rack. And we wanted to make sure there was no wind noise whatsoever when we finally released this roof rack. So the brackets on the back are steel to maximize the downward force that the roof rack can hold. The brackets have all been powder coated. The sides are all powder coated. We set up, it's got 8 total crossbars on it. One of the other things is that we designed it so the first hole is drilled exactly 10 inches off the back edge of the windshield here, and that's where you locate your first hole for the roof rack when doing the roof rack. And then what you want to do is you're going to go back to the back of the roof rack back here and do the back bracket. I tell everybody the best way to do this is to leave all the bars except for the center bar, the front bar, and the rear bar in the roof rack at the time of putting it together, because it makes it easy to keep it stable. It makes it easy to locate the hole locations for each one of the brackets. But I tell everybody, drill the first hole up here in the front. It's at 10 inches, and then locate your hole back here on the back bracket and drill that one and the other side. So then the rack sits square to the truck, and then locate the rest of your holes, and then you can insert the roof rack bars afterward. But we wanted to share the roof rack with you. It came out really, really good. You'll love it, and we hope you enjoy it as far as if you decide to purchase it. But you can just see how nice it fits to the vehicle and how we try to maximize how tight it was to the roof. So thanks again. Enjoy it.